you're an anthro or a chemo or a human or a mythological beast flying way above the ground. Little Pause is coming soon, and we've got lots of things to do for every little that is bustling around. So be it drawings, be it music, be it writings, be it babbles, we've got lots of fun where all of you can play. If you're different doesn't matter, if you're older then you're bolder, we've got lots of hugs to lay on you today.